big card. Okay, Ani. Hindi na ako mahuhulog sa'yo kasi kapag kasama kita, lumulutang na ako. Translation, please.
What again? I forgot.
In the sky.
What? You say it again?
Hindi na ako mahuhulog sa'yo kasi kapag kasama kita, lumulutang na ako.
Because when I'm with you, I'm floating.
I'll never fall.
I will never fall for you, is it?
I won't fall.
I won't fall for you.
Because if you're there, I feel like I'm floating.
Yeah. It's like I won't fall because I'm just floating.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gutom lang yan. Ako, kain na.
Ang liit lang ng kamay mo, pero bakit nahahawakan mo ang mundo ko?
Your hands is so small. Why you
Can handle
why you
my
can
world.
yeah. Why you can hold my world.
My world.
My life. Can I have one?
This one.
Wow.
Okay. Para kang drums kasi pag wala ka, walang beat ang puso ko.
You're like a drum. Yeah, you're like a drum. If you're
drums.
Are you a drum? You make my heart beat.
Because without you, there's no beats.
Yeah, something like that because you're a drum.
Okay.
Because my heart doesn't beat like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Dati, ang dami kong pangarap. Ngayon, ikaw na lang.
Before, I had so many dreams, but now you're my dream. Check, right?
Not check, wrong.
Caught me.
Okay.
Kailangan mo ba ng tutor? Tuturuan kitang mahalin ako.
Do you need a tutor?
Tuition lang.
Because I...
Yeah, you need a tuition.
na.
I can give you tuition to teach me
What
how to love me.
Yeah.
I'll give you so you will know how to love me lang.
Okay, please give me lah.
Para kang ice cream.
You like an ice cream, so sweet.
But, ngunit malamig naman. Sweet
But-
nga, malamig naman.
Are you an ice cream because
But-
it's so sweet but cool?
But cold.
It's fine. What else? Sa dinami-dami ng Tagalog words, ikaw ang pinakagusto ko.
There's a lot of Tagalog.
No.
No, English.
The English.
Of all the words,
Tagalog.
you are my favorite.
Yeah.
You, Y-O-U.
You.
I hope I'm a T, so I'll always be next to you.
I hope
Sana magtaas din ang presyo ko para minsan naman matawag mo din akong mahal.
It's not applicable because expensive, right?
Wala tayong ganun, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
No, because the word is
We
mahal.
translated it already.
But if you translate it, it's expensive, so it's not applicable.
Nung minahal kita, dahil ko pa ng traffic side sa I can't move on.
Yeah.
You know already, right? And then kung didiretsuhin ko ba to, diretso ba to sa puso mo?
What gusto mo?
Puso.
Heart.
Heart.
If I go this way, is it straight to your heart?
Yeah. So
my
that's all.
goodness.
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you.